Wind noise destroys 90% of cycling vlogs above 15 kilometers per hour. But fixing it is cheaper than you think. The mistake most people make is mounting microphones to the camera. Instead, clip a wireless lavalier, like the DJI Mic 2, inside your jersey collar. The fabric blocks wind perfectly. If your budget is zero, AirPods Pro make surprisingly great microphones. Because they sit close to your face, your head shields the worst wind. Just record a voice memo, but perfect audio won't save a boring ride video. Don't just press record and ramble. You need a narrative structure. A 10-second hook, 30 seconds of setup, the actual ride, and a clear payoff. Did you survive the climb? For live commentary, only talk on quiet roads. Never stare at the lens in traffic. For longer explanations, stop riding. Propping your bike up creates a vital visual break anyway. Between those talking segments, you desperately need B-roll. Next time you stop for water, shoot these. Your chain spinning, hands shifting gears, and a scenic wide shot. It takes 2 minutes, but transforms your vlog into a cinematic film. To tie it all together, use a hybrid approach. Live audio captures your authentic suffering on the road, while voiceover recorded at home smoothly explains the route map or data. Finally, packaging. The thumbnail sells the click. Grab a dramatic screenshot and add under 5 words of text. For the title, combine your location with an emotional outcome. People click for human struggle, not GPS files. For example, I tried London's steepest climb. Destroys Sunday ride vlog in the algorithm. This weekend, plan your hook before clipping in and hide that mic inside your jersey. Now get out there and start filming.